to perform and study the experiment on LVDT, linearly variable differential transformer. This linearly variable differential transformer works on the basic principle of the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, which is further classified as a mutual induction law of the Faraday's. Now, this LVDT has already been studied in the class with respect to its theory. So now I will just explain how does it perform. The laminated core used in the LVDT is variable and movable. If we will change its position and we will shift its position, so flux linkage with the secondary coils will vary and it will change the output of the secondary coil. So we will see the movement of the core in the mm or displacement of the core in the mm, and that displacement of core will change the flux linkage with the secondary two coils. There are two coils at the secondary side of LVDT and there is a single coil at the primary side of the LVDT. So movement of core will change the flux linkage with particular coil. There are two coils in secondary winding which can be assumed as a coil 1 or coil 2. So linkage will vary with coil 1 and coil 2 with respect to the movement of core. So we will directly go to perform the practical in which we will measure the two values, displacement in mm of the core and EMF induced in the secondary winding. And EMF induced in the secondary winding depends on the algebraic sum of the two coils, because of both two coils on the secondary sides are connected in series oppositions. So it should give the it will give the result equals to EA minus EB form. So let us take the direct reading of it. This is our LVDT performance kit in which we will see the movement of core. So this is my core which is placed in the former, and movement of the core will be by the movement of micrometer. There has been connected a micrometer. I will change the position of micrometer which has been attached through the core, and core is pressed by the spring on the another end. So I will move the core with the help of micrometer switch. So it will move forward and backward and left hand side and right hand side. So as we have already discussed in theory, if core will be in the central position, so output voltage would be 0. Core would be in central position, so output would be 0, and if core will be on the left hand side, so flux linkage with particular coil will be more than the flux linkage with the another coil. So this will be applicable in both the cases, what we will see in the reading. So let us see. I have switched it on. So right now there is shown 11 volt. Now I will move it in the central position. I will shift the core in the central position. So output of both the windings will be 0. However you are watching, I am shifting the position of micrometer switch. I rotate it and look. Now supply is there. We have given the supply to the primary winding, but output is 0 because of both secondary windings are connected in series oppositions. So EMF induced in the coil A of the secondary side is in opposite direction or magnitude with the EMF induced in the coil B of the secondary side. So output voltage is 0 at which value 1.1 mm. At the 1.1 mm, at the 1.1 mm, value of induced EMF is 0. Now I will move the core in the left hand side. So what would be the value of it? I will move it in the left hand side, means I will press the switch in the clockwise direction. So it will be in positive direction. However, you are watching values are increasing. So I will move it at the 5.7 mm. At the 7 mm, your core has been shifted towards the left hand side, means this side. We have moved the core on the left hand side. So value at the 7 mm is 3 volt, which is shown here. So we will note 7 mm, it will be 3 volt. Second, I will further move it to the left hand side at the 5 position. This is 5 mm. At the 5 mm, it is around 5 volt. So 5 mm, 5 volt. I will further increase it to the 3 mm. Now value or core has been shifted to 3 mm towards the left hand side. So value is 7.1. So 3 mm, 7 or 7.1 volt. So these are the reading which have been taken when core has been shifted to the left hand side. Similarly, we will take the reading when core will be shifted on the right hand side. So this is the value of 10 mm. What I have explained, at the 10 mm value, your output will be zero. So this 10 mm, at the 10 mm your output is 0. Now I will shift the core towards the right hand side. So let us see the value of it. It will gradually decrease in minus. At the 12 mm distance, value of induced EMF or value of resultant induced EMF is minus 2.3. Now I will further shift it to the right hand side. So it will be, I have placed it at a 15 mm. So at the 15 mm value of induced EMF is minus 5.4 volt. Then I will take the last reading of it, which is 18 mm. At the 18 mm displacement, there is a induced EMF in the core is minus 8.4 volt. So as you can see that by changing the value of core or by changing the position of core, we can have the variable voltage. So output voltage can be changed by changing the position of core, so that we call it linearly variable differential transformer. It means by changing the position of core, we can change the output, so that it is also considered as a kind of transducer. Thank you.